Okay, I need to change something. This is not a pin and pin, but it's an actual, I guess you would call a drunken spool. I thought it was a pin and pin because of the size of this shaft here, but it's not. This one, I wondered why I didn't see the hole in the key pins, that hole there. And the reason being is this piece goes on the bottom where this one was on the top. I noticed this as I was putting it back together here. So I wanted just to clarify these three things here, because this is a pretty good pick, I have to admit, especially the pin and pin design on the key pins. That's a first for me. That's pretty cool, other than multi-lock, but that's pretty cool. And hope you have a good one, guys. Again, PickMe, great lock, very great. I see this was my third pick on this lock. I'd picked it twice before. But great lock. Have a good one. Thanks. Okay, got a US lock. KW1 keyway. Penned by PickMe 1977, and he's called this one Satan's Lock. It's supposed to be pretty hard, or a pretty good pick at least. Don't know if it's hard yet, but let's see what we got. Got a little turn. Okay, too much tension. I barely got tension on it. Alright, let's try. Now we got a little turn there. Alright, got a pretty good turn on the core that time. Well, counter, it feels like. Got a pretty good little false set going here. I think it's locked it up on me here. is. Okay. That's a pretty good pick. Let's see what PickMe's got in it. Oh. As you can see, it is open. And the key is still on top, mummied. I'll put it back up there for the next one, which I believe Red Eye's getting it next. Okay. That little tool's not gonna fit, which is alright. I got this. Spring out. Not sure what's in here, so put the shim in it just to be on the safe side. I believe that's good. And 5 pin. Oh, I can pull this tape off. Okay, where's my knife here? See if we can just cut it up. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Very sticky, sticky, sticky. There we go. And there's the bidding. Pretty good bidding. Especially that one there. Well, got that little, these tucked behind this one. So that's pretty good bidding. Let's see. Huh. Now that one right there looks interesting. Looks like a pin and pin key pin. One serrated, pretty good serration. 2, and there's the 3. And 5.
Where'd you find it? Well, why would you even go in there?
It's not there.
What?
Actually, I shut it because the dog.
And
Well, I can't really say nothing. He's over the age of 21.
1, 2, 1, 4, 5 is threaded. Serrated, beautiful serrated. Go ahead and get the springs out. Okay, 2 is below the shear line. Oh, barely. Very small spring. Another spool. Homemade spool, it looks like. That popped out, but I saw it was like this. Oh, it's a pen and pen. Oh, another pen and pen. It popped out on me there. That is down. That one goes over there. And let me see, what did I do with my flashlight? There it is. Looks like 5, 3, 5, 3. For sure is threaded, as you see. 3 and 1, it looks like. Yes. 1, 3, and 5, and the Bible, and 1, 4, 1 and 4, it feels like, and the plug. Well, maybe 5 too. Yes. 1, 4, 1, 4, and 5. And the plug is threaded. Alright. Here is this Satan's lock from PickMe. Beautiful pins. I believe it's the first one that I've ever had a pen and pen key pen other than a multi-lock. And then you got these beautiful pen and pens in 4 and 5, spool, and a serrated spool, I guess you would call it. Whoop, catch that spring. And then you're serrated with T-pin tops, I guess you'd call them. Oh, here's another one. Another key pen and pen design. I did not notice that until just then. So here's the pens. Great pick. Especially love the pens, especially the key pens. First one I've had like this one. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go check out PickMe 1977. And a great lock, PickMe. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thanks.